Start.
Good morning friends, now I am going to show how to organize your fridge in a good and friendly way. And first I have been removed all my things in my fridge. And coming to this is my baby's fridge. First I brought up like this cars which is on sale. It's 90 rupees and it's normally 160 rupees. You can buy this in market. I kept each of my vegetable in this. This all my vegetables. Yeah, I separated them neatly in a good and organized way. So I kept all heavy vegetables like the bitter gourd, tomatoes and cabbage and those all. And second rack I kept chilies.
Lightweight, please. Lightweight.
Yeah, these all are lightweight, and this is radish and few lemons. And coming to third shelf, I organized all the leafy vegetables like this. And baby leafy vegetables too. I separated them in a good and clean way. And coming to first rack, I organized all milk products like dosha pindi, curd, milk and butter. Coming to the door, down I kept vinegar and few water bottles. And covers, which are extra covers to organize. And up, I kept all kitchen use like garlic paste and kulhara pachadi. And coming to second one, I organized all my beauty products like nail polish and aloe vera gel. And coming up, I organized all my eggs. So friends, these are the videos. If not, you don't have these covers, you can organize as same but not with covers. All heavy vegetables in this normal. I would like to say I'd make another video on this without covers. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.